That looks like baby blue. He's afraid to come down. I'm hoping the red belly I hear shows up. He finally found the suet I put out. And it's snowing. That's the best part. Hear the red belly? The cardinal. No, that's a white-throat sparrow. Ooh, these blue jays are interrupting my dove. My dove up there who's hanging out, waiting to get on the ground and eat something. Come on, Mr. Redbelly. The jays, they always fight with each other. They fight with each other and they open the peanuts and they feed each other. It's really cool. He's afraid when the jays scream. Predator, predator. It's just them making their way here to get the peanuts first. I call them my ornaments since it's Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. This is my tree. Now if we get the red belly and some cardinals, we'd be all set. I have 6 jays that frequent my yard for years. Poor dove, he's still up there. See the mourning dove? He wants to get on the ground. He's waiting for all of them to leave. And Redbelly is talking. He's watching. Mr. Redbelly is watching. He's waiting for oh, there's a mourning dove. Oh, and this one flew down. Hunting doves are shy. That squirrel will jump right at him. There, the cutie. What a cutie. Well, I hear Mr. Redbelly, but he is not showing up. Hopefully I'll get him. I want to get him in the snow. That little screech you hear is the red belly. He's a woodpecker. Beautiful. Peace.